Hey everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, January 26th. The SPY gapped up today and put in a, I don't know, pretty narrow range, but went out at the high. So we're still kind of hanging out near all-time highs. If you weren't in chat today, there's the intraday open and the intraday close. So after all that chop, it ended up closing slightly up. Not too much excitement today. I'm going to give a hat tip to Wayne on VERA. It's probably the cleanest setup I saw all day. And you see right here, topped out at 24.75 with the earlier high just above on a morning gap play, right? So you basically have a lower high at a 3/4 number with the high of day above. His idea was back through this 75, which occurred right here. And ended up giving like only 35 cents a share risk, and it went from 24.75 to 26.66, so almost $2 on about 35 cents risk. Pretty good example of the setups that we look for. You got to be patient, wait for them to set up, right? So let me go right into the watch list for Friday. You guys know I'm an intraday trader. We start with the daily charts, try to find some good looking daily charts that may give an intraday setup that we teach in our chat and in our course. So let's look at those. All right. We want to play stocks that are in play. So here we go. AAL, American Airlines, got a horizontal line there. You can see the gap up and a nice breakout today. We're definitely going to watch that one for a second day play tomorrow. AMSC, also a nice breakout. Maybe a second day play there. Same with VERA. I already talked about Wayne's call on that one. SPRC had the gap up yesterday. Massive volume. Today, gap down, but ended up another green day. So that one goes on watch. But already after, 30 million shares traded yesterday, what did it trade today? Did it even get to maybe about 1 million? That just stuns me. I see that a lot anymore. I guess the algos get a hold of them on gap day, and then the next day nobody cares. But it's weird. It's a new, when I say new, I mean in the last couple of years, thing where you see volume just completely drop off the next day. It's a little weird for me, but anyway, that one maybe gives an A+ setup tomorrow. SLDP had this big pop inside day and another inside day. This might resolve to the downside, but if it resolves to the upside, maybe we get a breakout. So that one goes on watch. EOLS had the breakout here, and now it's just kind of putting in a little flag, right? Nice little green day today. We'll see. See if it gives us a setup. GCT, super interesting, especially kind of over that 24 area, but maybe we get some kind of setup on an intraday basis, knowing that that 24 area could be another catalyst above. Those are my favorites, right? PCSA, big volume, closing well off its highs, but goes on a chart because of that volume. KOD, nice breakout today, maybe a follow-through day. XRX, which is Xerox, gap down and put in a strong candle. So we'll see if that gives a setup. And a couple more. And these two might be my favorite. DWAC, huge run. Now you got a couple days lower. If you watched yesterday's video, I said I'd like to see one more red day, and then I would really like it for a bounce play. So we've got that, and we have the same thing in RUM. Had a big run here from all the way 3-something all the way up to 7, and then 2 days lower on declining volume. I love that one for a potential bounce play too. You guys in chat know what we look for on the bounce plays. Let's work together. Hopefully catch an A+ setup or two on Friday. I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.